Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact USPS mail recovery, direct link step by step clearly. To contact USPS mail recovery, start by visiting the official USPS website. Locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Type mail recovery into the search bar and press enter. Look for the link titled Missing Mail Search in the search results. Click on the Missing Mail Search link to access the dedicated page. On the Missing Mail search page, scroll down to find the Report Missing Mail option. Click on the Report Missing Mail button to begin the reporting process. You will need to fill out a form that includes your contact information. Provide details about the missing item, including its description and tracking number. Review the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Submit the form by clicking on the Submit button at the bottom of the page. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email with tracking information. If you prefer to speak with a representative, call the USPS customer service line. The customer service number is available on the USPS Contact Us page. Have your tracking number ready when you call to expedite the process. Allow some time for USPS to investigate your case after filing the report. Monitor your email for any updates regarding your missing mail status. Follow up with USPS if you do not receive updates within a reasonable timeframe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.